Leslie, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing, and it is the FabFitFun Fall box. I have never had one of these. I did buy this with my own money. I want to see what all the hype is about. And before, I didn't really, I don't know, it just didn't interest me. It did, but it didn't. But now that you can customize your own boxes, I was like, I'm really going to have to try this. And a few weeks ago, I was up at my cousin's house, and she gets it, and I was looking through her summer box, and I was like, I am going to have to try that, especially now that we can customize them. So, mine came in the mail yesterday, and yeah, if you would like to see what I think of this box, because like I said, I paid for it. It is not sponsored, not affiliated, nothing. Keep watching. Okay, you guys, it is sealed up, so let's open it. Woohoo! Pretty excited, because like I said, I customized my box, so I know what's in it, but still, unboxings are fun. So, look at this. Ta-da! Check it out. I like the way it's boxed. It's packed really, really, really nicely. FabFitFun, grateful for every little thing, fall 2018. There is a magazine with Christina Applegate on it. I guess it tells you what all is in it. It does. Then it has like articles and stuff, so that's pretty cool. There is a enjoy $3 off one box of Luna bars on Amazon. Has a discount code. So this is the Luna, right? If you guys like that, here is a discount code right there. Here is a FabFitFun card. Share the love. Pass this card on and your friend will get $10 off their first box. Okay, so $10 off their first box. Here we go. Can you see that code? Okay. Now, oh, that's cute. It has share to win, hashtag FabFitFun. And you can see it's a little leaf holding the tissue paper together. I see food in here. Well, I'm just going to tear the whole thing apart, because that's just the way it is. Okay, this is wrapped really, really, really nicely. Look at this. How nicely this is wrapped. Now, I did customize this. There might be a couple things in here I'm not really sure, like what I got, but some stuff I do know. But first thing I see is this beauty blender, and this is the shade that they sent me, the really light pink one. And I love Beauty Blender. I think they are awesome. I'm not big on putting my foundation on with a Beauty Blender, but I do my my concealer and everything with a Beauty Blender, and I like to do my highlight with a Beauty Blender. I just have better luck with my foundation when I'm using a brush, but I'm excited to get this. This retails for $20, and drugstore, you can get drugstore sponges now that are really, really good at a lot cheaper price. But to get one in the box is awesome. I love that. And I'm excited about these two Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Deep Cleansing Masks. I love Glam Glow products. They are amazing. I love them. I love them. I love them. So I'm so excited to have these. These Glow, Oxygenate, Detoxify, Purify, Face Makeup Removal. Yeah, I have not used one of these yet. I'm so excited. So, woohoo! Got that. Got a Luna salted caramel nut bar. Yay! Excited about that. I'm sure Kevin will eat that. I just know he will. I got a Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. I think this is a place out of California, but it is an Alfred teapot. I have my box pulled up online because I wanted to see if it gave prices, but there are no prices. But born on Alfred Street in May of 2016, the Alfred Tea Room was the first shop of its kind, combining the vast world of luxury tea with a new millennial culture. Its pink tiled lined walls and selection of creative tea drinks offer a friendly approach to tea and have allowed Alfred Tea Room to go international with 2 trendy shops in Tokyo, Japan. See, I could have got this or like a coffee, some kind of coffee thing. I don't drink coffee, but I drink tea, so I am super stoked about this because I am an avid tea drinker. This is awesome. I don't know how it works, but oh, it's so pretty. But this is a ceramic teapot. Let me see if I can get it open here. Good thing I have my handy box cutter with me so I don't cut my face off. Oh, look how cute that is. Look at that. That is adorable. Here's your little tea strainer. What? Oh, I like that. That's so cute. So I'm excited about that because, like I said, I don't drink coffee, but I drink the hell out of tea, especially in the fall and winter. I love tea. We got some Simply Whimsical tea towels. Basically kitchen towels. I love kitchen towels. I never have enough, but I love the color of these. You get 2 of them. It's like a 2-pack, but they're gray and white. Look at that. That is really, really pretty. So that's awesome. I got a Metallis Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo from Touch and Soul. I've never heard of this. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. It's a number 2 penny. Okay, this Touch and Soul Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. Ooh, okay. Look at this. Look at the color. Like, this is like your matte, and then here's your metallic that goes on top of it. This is what I'm guessing. So let's see. I'm like, oh, no, it's not matte. Well, let me show you what this looks like. It's really pretty. Like, this is gorgeous. Look at this. See that? Oh, that is so pretty. It has a sheen to it. And then, I'm just going to put this beside it. Oh, that is really pretty. And then that, right there, look at that. See that? There we go. So that is what that looks like. That is actually not bad look. Actually, I kind of really like this. Seriously. That's really pretty. We'll let it dry and see what happens. Then I got Grow Alchemist Hydro Restored Cream Cleanser Olive Leaf Plantago Extract. 100 milliliters. So this is what it looks like. A gentle cream cleanser to remove makeup, cleanse and condition delicate facial skin without dehydrating or irritating, leaving it looking soothed, purified, and perfectly prepared for moisturizing. Okay, so I got that. And what else did I get? I got a blue in Capri shower gel. See that? I got that lipstick on me. I've never heard of Skin and Company. I do not know what it smells like. Okay. It smells, yeah, definitely. It smells woodsy to me, you know what I'm saying? And it says it is alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. It's definitely a fall scent. So I'm excited about that. I am really excited about these. These are the Cobra Bluetooth earphones. I am so excited about these because I've been wanting some Bluetooth earphones because I'm so tired of when I take walks. I like to play Pandora on my phone, and I've always got, you know, the wires hanging down, and they aggravate me. And I got mine in the white and rose gold, or you could pick black and rose gold, and I picked the white. And then the last thing in here, I do believe it's the last thing in here, is a Vince Camuto purse. I chose the black one because I have many brown purses. I have some black purses, but I don't have a whole bunch. It has a dust cover on it, and this, like, oh my gosh, you can smell the leather. This is real leather, you guys. I like this. Like, my laptop would fit in here. It has an inside pocket. It just smells. It smells so good. I like the smell of leather. Look at this. Yeah, I could carry that. Definitely. And it's so big. Look at that. So I'm excited for this. But it came in brown with like a reddish color here. Or it came in the black with the gray. And I don't know. I just really wanted the black one. So I got that. So, you guys, this is kind of exciting because I actually love everything that I got so far. I don't see anything that I didn't like. Let's see if we have prices in here. Okay, the Beauty Blender, $20. The tea towels, $14.99 for two. The Skin and Roma shower gel, $22. And you can also use it as a bubble bath. Sweet. Okay. The Glam Glow masks for two of them is $18. The little caramel thing, it does not have a price. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, now, the Vince Camuto tote bag was $128. And you can see the two shades they had. You could get black and gray, or you could get brown and black. Okay, brown with a black stripe. Or if you didn't want that, you could have got a set of crown brushes. And I have so many brushes, and I have a bunch of crown brushes too. But they were $75. But I went with the Vince Camuto tote for $128. Then, the Alfred stainless steel teapot, it retails for $26, or I could have got a Alfred French press, a coffee press, and that retailed for $22, which, this was my two choices right there. And then, on my earbuds, those are Silo Cobra Bluetooth earbuds, $40. Or I could have got an umbrella that from Catherine Malandrino, I don't know, that retails for $39.99. So I went with the earbuds because I really needed those. And then select members only want to pick exactly what you get next time. Upgrade to an annual plan. Okay. The lipstick was $24.99. And this Grown Alchemist Hydra, I mean, which one did I get? Grown Alchemist, $67. It gently exfoliates dry skin to reveal a radiant, moisturized complexion. $67? Are you kidding me? So the retail value of my box was $342.98 because I have it pulled up on my computer with the retail value. Do you see that up there? $342.98. Wow. And I paid $39 plus shipping. It came to like 40-some dollars. But so I basically got $300 worth of stuff for free. Yay. There's nothing here that I will not use. So, am I excited about this box? Absolutely. Abso-flippin'-lutely. I love it. I love it. I can't wait till next time. I ordered it sooner than I could have got some of the add-ons, but I was like, nah, I'm not going to order it. And then the more I looked at it, and the more I seen people talking about it and showing theirs, I was like, I'll just go ahead and get one. And then the add-ons were already over. So, that's fine. I'll know better next time, right? But again, you guys, I purchased this box with my own money. It was not sent to me or anything else. I just wanted to give you a real review from somebody that actually bought the box. And yeah, I'm excited about it. I really am. I can't wait till next time. I have heard a lot of people say that the fall and the winter ones are the best. So I'm so excited. But you guys, that's it. That's everything that I got in my FabFitFun box. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, hit that red subscribe button below. You are the first ones to know every time I post a new video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, though. But you guys, I love you guys so much. And I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.
Yeah.